Dear students, how are you all? Doing great? Yes. Today I'm again here to teach you mathematics. Today we are going to learn chapter number 9, that is about time. Yes, time. Then in this chapter we are going to recall the number of days in a month, then recall the days of the week and months of the year in order. Then recognize the seasons in a year, and also we have to relate the seasons to the months of a year. Okay, in this chapter, first we are going to recall the number of days in a month. Then we want to recall the days of the week and month of the year in order. In order. Then we have to recognize the seasons in a year and also the seasons to the months of a year. Relate the seasons to a month of year. Okay, let's start. Ready? Okay. What is this? Identify. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen this? Yes, this is a calendar. This is a calendar. Yes, it has 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 months. Most months have 30 days or 31 days. Okay? Most months have 30 days or 31 days. February has 28 days, but once in 4 year it has 29 days. That is called leap year. That is called leap year. Okay? Then this is a calendar. It has how many months? 12 months. Most months have 30 days or 31 days, but in February has only 28 days, but once in 4 year it has 29 days. That is called leap year. Leap year. Okay. Then months of the year. What are the months of a year? Yes. First one, January. Right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, January. Okay. Then what's the spelling of February? F E B R U A R Y, February. Okay. Then next one, March. M A R C H, March. Then April. A P R I L, April. Next, May. M A Y, May. June. J U N E, June. July. J U L Y, July. Then August. A U J U S T, August. Next, September. S E P T E M B E R, September. Next, October. O C T O B E R, October. Then November. N O V E M B E R, November. Which is the last month? Yes, it is December. December, December. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? Then, to remember the days in different months, we have one rhyme. Okay, days in a month. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has only 28 and 29 in each leap year. This is a rhyme. You try to by heart it, then it's very easy to remember the number of days in different months. Okay, 30 days has September. 30 days has September, April, June and November. So, April, June, November, September has 30 days. Okay. Then, all the rest have 31. All the rest months have 31 days. Except February alone, which has only 28 and 29 in each leap year. Okay. I repeat. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has only 38 and 29 in each leap year. Okay? Yes. Then, next is days of the week. In each week, they have some days, right? Yes. Which one is the first day? First day is Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, these are the days of the week. Got it? Yes. Then, Sunday is the first day, right? And Saturday is the seventh day or the last day of the week. Look here, Sunday is the first day and Saturday is the seventh day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saturday is the seventh day, okay, or last day. After Sunday, Monday comes again and this circle goes on and on. Okay, then this is the month of January. This is a calendar of 2021. This is 2021, this current year. This is 2021 January. Okay, look carefully this month here. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. In this month January, we can see how many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sundays. And how many Saturdays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Saturdays. This January 2021 have total how many days? 31 days. Okay. Then this is the month of February 2021. How many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays and 4 Saturdays. Total days 28. This is the month March 2021. 4 Sundays, 4 Saturdays, total 31 days. Okay. Then this is April 2001. 4 Sundays, 4 Saturdays, total 30 days. Okay. Then this is the month of May 2021. Then how many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Sundays. How many Saturdays? 5 Saturdays. Then tell me how many Wednesdays? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How many Wednesdays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Wednesdays. And total number of days? 31. Is it clear? Yes. Then, this is the month of June 2021. How many Sundays? 4 Sundays and 4 Saturdays. Total number of days? 30. Okay? Then, this is the month of July 2021. Total number of days? 31. How many Saturdays? 5 Saturdays. How many Sundays? 5 Sundays. Then tell me how many Mondays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mondays in July 2021. Okay. Then, this is, yes, this is August. August 2021. This month have total 31 days. This is September 2001. This month also having how many days? 30 days. 30 days. 4 Saturdays and 4 Sundays. Then, this is the month of October. 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 Okay. 2021 October. This is having 31 days. Total 31 days. How many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sundays. How many Mondays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mondays. Total how many days? 31 days. Okay. Then, this is the month of November 2021. Total 30 days are here. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays and 4 Saturdays. 4 Sundays and 4 Saturdays. Total number of days of November 2021 is 30. Okay. Then, this is the last month. That is December. Yes, December. December have how many days? 31 days. 4 Saturdays. 4 Sundays. Okay. December 25 is holiday. 24 is also holiday, right? That's why it is written in red colors. Okay. Then, next we are moving on to seasons. Seasons. Okay. Seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. How many seasons? 4. 4 seasons in a year. The seasons come one after another. Otherwise, year after year. Okay. The seasons come one after another. That is year after year. Then, each season lasts for about 3 months. Okay. Total number of seasons 4. Each season lasts for about how many months? 3 months. Okay. Then, the time and duration of the season change from place to place. The time and duration of the season change from place to place. There are 4 seasons in a year. The seasons come one after another or year after year. Each season lasts for about 3 months. The time and duration of the season change from place to place. Okay. Then, the 4 seasons are summer, autumn, winter, and spring. The 4 seasons are summer, autumn, winter, spring. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer, autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. Then winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Then spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Okay. Then, the month June, July, August is summer season. Yes, the month of June, July, August is summer season. Yes, in summer season, the days are very hot. We get heavy rain during the season. Okay, in summer season, June, July, August are summer season. The days are very hot. We get heavy rain during the season. Then, the months of September, October, and November are autumn season. Okay, the months of September, October and November are autumn season. The days are cooler, leaves turns brown and starts to fall. Okay, in this during this summer season, the leaves turn brown and starts to fall. Okay, then this is winter. Next is winter season. The month of December, January and February is winter season. The month of December, January and February is winter season. The days are very cold and we celebrate Christmas in December. Yes, very good. Then this is next is spring season. Spring season. Spring is in the month of March, April and May. March, April and May is spring season. The days are very pleasant and new flowers bloom. Right? We can see everywhere new flowers. The days are very pleasant. Okay. Then I repeat. The first day of the week is, yes, Sunday. Then the second day of the week is Monday. The third day of the week is Tuesday. The fourth day of the week is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Thursday. And the sixth day of the week is Friday. The seventh day, that is the last day of the week, is Saturday. Okay? Then, today is Wednesday. Then yesterday was Tuesday. Then today is Friday. Then tomorrow will be Friday, Saturday. Very good. Then yesterday was Wednesday. Then today is Thursday. Yes. Today is Monday. Then tomorrow will be Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Yes. Today is Monday. Then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Then yesterday was Saturday. Then today is Sunday. Yes, very good. Then one more thing. April has 30 days. June has also 30 days. February has 28 or 29 days. August comes after July. Yes. Then October comes before November. Then November is in between October and December. November is in between October and December. Then months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Then I repeat the days of the week once again: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then this is our activity time. Okay. Using a 2021 calendar, count the total number of Sundays in whole year. Try to find out the total number of Sundays the whole year of 2021. I hope all of you have 2021 calendar in your home, right? Yes. Then using that calendar, you have to count the total number of Sundays in the whole year. Okay. Then, yes. Then, if you have any doubt regarding to this topic, you can comment in our comment box. Okay. I think you got an idea about this chapter, right? Yes. Then we can see in our next video with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.